Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing gear and software so pairing succeeds quickly. Charge the G733 to at least half, and while it charges, install Logitech GHUB on your PC or the app on your phone. Once done, remove the USB wireless receiver from the pouch and plug it into a USB 2.0/3 0 port. Then press and hold the headset power button until the LED blinks. Make sure nearby Bluetooth is off to avoid interference. Now pair and configure audio so everything sounds right. Open GHUB and click to add a new device. Follow on-screen pairing, and if firmware updates appear, apply them. Updates fix latency and mic issues. Next, set the G733 as your default playback and recording device in Windows or Mac OS sound settings so apps use it. Then use GHUB to tweak EQ, sidetone, mic monitoring, and RGB lighting. Switch to wired 3. Finish by verifying performance in real conditions and knowing a quick fix. You should join a voice call or record a short test to confirm mic level and clarity, make incremental sidetone and mic gain adjustments until natural. Also check physical fit, reseat ear pads, and ensure headband clips are secure for consistent mic placement. If sound or connection problems persist, reboot your system, repair the headset, reinstall GHUB, and try a different USB port. These steps resolve most wireless headaches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.